both term related to the API. API is the application programming interface. In later some video we can discuss about the API in detail, what is the role and where it is used and what is the benefit of the API and how can we access that. Okay, so today we will discuss about only the authentication and how it differ for the differ with the authorization. So let's start first. In the normal language, if you discuss about the authentication and there is the authorization. So just suppose this is your home and here this is your home and this is your bedroom. Okay, and this is some room and this is the confidential room, something like your office, and this is living room and this is kitchen. Okay, this is your garden. So let's suppose this is your home and this is your architecture about the home, and some person want to come here and some relative want to come to your home. Then what you will do, you will just ask all the details about the person, like who are you, the person who living here, know this person or not. So this process, firstly you will verify and identify the person who stand opposite your home, in front of your home, it's valid or not. If it's valid, this is called the authentication. Means firstly, before opening your door, giving some offer to enter in your home, firstly you have to authenticate the other person and then you have to allow to enter in your room. Okay, so enter your room. Okay, after once the guest came here in the living room. Okay, so this person don't have authorization. If the person is not authorized, this person authenticated and came to your home, but this person is not authorized person to go your bedroom or some in your office room or some confidential room. So the person don't have authorization, means the person who came in your home don't have access to go your bedroom and the confidence room, your confidential room, and want to to say to see some other documents for what is the. So he is only authenticated person to came to enter your room, enter your home, that's it. If he have authorization, means have some access card, then okay. So just for if we discuss about according to your office, so this is your office. So all the person came here and check the identity card, ठीक है, ID card, sorry, ID card. See, all the employee came here and show their ID card, and after he authenticated person. Okay, authenticated and came to here and go to particular seat here, like so. This is the HR section, this is your CEO section, and this is your some account account, and this is some other like IT, and this is the development area. Okay, so this person is authenticated to enter the room, but this person, the developer, came here. This person is authenticated and enter only here, means authenticated, but he don't have authorized to enter the HR, enter the CEO, and enter the account section or IT section. Okay, so this is the difference between the authentication and authorization. Okay, so let's discuss here authentication and authorization. So this is related to access rights. This is related to validity. Okay, so authentication is only related to the validity. You are valid person, authenticated person or not. If you are valid authenticated, then you can enter, but if you have authorized to go the particular things or not. So if we discuss about this in the technology term, so something like a user authenticated something, he want to access the bank account, bank website, so he just entering email, password to verify, to authenticate yourself and access or enter website. Okay, enter website. Username, password, bank website. Okay, so he just passing username and password for authentication, and once he able to enter here, and he don't have authorized to access the total user, other data like amount and user profile, total cash of bank, and etc. So these kinds of things don't have authorized for a normal user. So this is the difference between the authentication and authorization. So hope you guys you can understand, and you are able to differentiate between the authentication and authorization. So we will see you in the next video related to something, might be it's related to API or something like API security.